plastic.
I think it's really cool, actually.
Yeah, I think so.
It even has the red chair in the model.
Yeah, you got about a ½ inch on the sides.
We've printed a scaled-down model of Fenway Park using the Objet 3D printers. Taking blueprints of Fenway Park and photos of the park, we're actually able to have it designed up as a 3D model, which we were then able to use as a 3D print, something that's tangible that we can actually show to people to celebrate this 100-year anniversary. The 3D printer actually works exactly like a printer you'd have in your house at home. Instead of printing on paper, it's actually printing layer by layer. So using a liquid resin, it cures it with UV light, and you have a 3D model that you can actually hold in your hand after the printer's done. So right here we're looking at the grandstands that's actually behind the home plate. Prints right off the computer. We basically look at a virtual print tray right here. We set up the parts that we want to print, and then we hit go. Actually, I sat up in here. I used to have season tickets up in there.
What's really neat about the model that we actually produced, there's some nuances and paintings to certain areas to highlight certain things. There'll be a red seat to highlight the red seat in Fenway Park. The pesky pole painted the appropriate color. Obviously the green monster painted green. So it's really going to highlight some of the historic features of Fenway Park so that people can get an appreciation of those particular areas of Fenway Park. It's really neat. People will love it.
Details.
This is where I would want to sit if I had my choice of places to sit at the park.
Or where we're sitting tomorrow, right here behind the booth.
If you went to a game, where would you want to sit?
Probably like down there.
Down there?
It looks great.
Thanks.
Yeah, the field right there, and the outfield right out here.
I would want to be right here.
So I come to plate against Lolich. He gets me 0-2, and I move up in the batter's box. Throws me a fastball, and I hit a screaming line drive right at K-line. He freezes, comes in, ball gets by him. And I had an inside the park home run, but I'd never been to third, and I didn't know Pesky was way down here, and the crowd was waving, and I couldn't pick up Pesky because he's so short. So I stopped and went back to third.
So being able to combine our technology along with the celebration of Fenway Park and the 100th anniversary, and to be able to share that with the Red Sox fans has been fantastic. It's really been a fun project.